Hello, welcome to Steven's Garage. Today, I'm going to be replacing the door striker pin on my 77 Mark V. So what is a door striker pin? When you shut the door, the latch mechanism catches onto this and holds the door shut. I've already replaced it on this door because this one was so worn out. When you shut the door, it would move back and forth about an inch because this little rubber piece right here, plastic piece, was completely gone. So now it pops open and it shuts very easily with zero play. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace it on the passenger side. See, the door is kind of out a little bit. There's no pop, and you can see that the plastic piece that goes around this is completely gone. Very easy to do. All you're going to need is a ratchet and a T50 bit and just a little bit of time to take that off, put a new one on, align it, open and close the door a couple times until you get it the way you like it. Let's get started. Once you have your T50 on your ratchet, go ahead and break this loose. And it does help when you spray PB or WD-40 behind this little ring and let it sit for a little bit. It loosens it up. I did that yesterday, so it made breaking this loose very easy. Then you just ratchet it off, get it to the point where take the rest of it off by hand. So there's that. That's garbage. And I will put the part number for this one on in the description. So $10 at O'Reilly's, $10 on Amazon. It's just a standard doorman part. So what I like to do is, if your door's shut pretty good before, I try to line this up with the dirt mark from the original and start with that. So you go ahead and tighten this down. Now don't do it too tight because you want to make sure that the door is going to open and close nicely. So that's much better. That's flush with the body now. But it gets a little bit jammed when you go to open it. There's no pop, you got to pull on it. So it needs to be adjusted. So what I like to do is I just get a little ball peen hammer and tap it to one side or another and mess around with it until you get it in the correct position. So I've been messing around with it for a couple minutes now. Pushed it over a little bit and down. You can see where the old one was. And now when I go to shut the door, it's perfect. When you open it, you feel a pop. It makes it easier to open, and it doesn't require that much force to close it. Lines up nice. It's flush going across. And that just saved you a bunch of money paying a shop. It saved wear on the hinges because they start to sag when the door isn't shut properly. And it just feels nicer to open and close the door. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.